Hello everyone, this is a daily forecast on Euro-Dollar. Today is Tuesday, September 7th. This video is created by Finteria Markets. Please check the website for more information about the company and our services. So usually I start with the website service winners and losers, but this time I'm going to just quickly show you the chart of Aussie dollar. We had the interest rate decision just 20 minutes ago. And there was some volatility, but I think the market didn't move that much. We will quickly have a look at the statement of the Reserve Bank of Australia. So here's a statement from September 7th. And as we can see, they decided to leave the interest rates unchanged, but they decided to extend their QE program until mid of February. So their initial plan, here I have the statement from August 3rd. The initial plan was actually to continue purchases till mid of November. And the market expectation was just that they will simply extend their QE program and they will suspend tapering. So this was in line with the market expectations. They didn't increase the amount of purchases, so it stayed 4 billion. So probably it's not that dovish according to the reaction that we also see. There was some upside pressure on the Australian dollar. Now we have some small correction. So there's nothing really much happening at the moment. So now we can switch back to the website, to the service winners and losers. And as you can see, the volatilities were really low. I think there's actually no any sense to discuss those volatilities because we can see that the highest volatility is just 0.06% and the lowest is not really bigger. So the markets were really calm because the financial markets were closed in the US, so a lot of volatility. We can probably notice, like if we check the last 4 hours, we can see that the US dollar dipped slightly against the market, so it lost 0.04%. But apart from that, there is nothing really huge happening in the markets. So let's check the last 5 days. So we can see we had 2 commodity currencies that were the strongest, and the US dollar that lost 0.62% over the last 5 days. The euro lost 0.13%. So yeah, I think it makes sense to move forward to look at the economic agenda. The only event that will have some importance today is the economic sentiment in Germany and Eurozone. So we are expecting lower numbers, and that can create some pressure on euro. Let's now move to the daily chart of Eurodollar and have a look what's happening here. So we're stuck between 2 levels, 119 and 118.50. So yesterday we recommended some deep buying, but the volatility was actually very low. So this week we have the ECB announcement on Thursday. It's going to be a very important announcement because they will also provide the economic projections for the growth, for the inflation, and it will actually help to understand what's their vision. So there's going to be a lot of new information. So the reaction can be really strong. So I don't really recommend to hold any positions during the ECB announcement. So if you have any trades, if you decide that you want to go long from those levels and expect that the euro dollar is going to reach 119, you should then consider closing your positions before the ECB announcement. Of course, there can be some expectations that they might decide to be like, they will update their forecasts and they will be more positive because we had some strong rebound in the economy, so they can be less dovish than the market is expecting. But so far we are in between those 2 levels, and I think we have to watch the key technical levels. I would say that the most important level here is 119 because we failed to to break this level last Friday. So we made the test. So I would say that that would be the most critical level to watch at the moment. And yeah, for the downside movement, 1850 would be also important. But in case if we see a breakout, maybe we will have a much lower correction. But still, I would expect that it wouldn't move that much. So I think that the best strategy for the moment is just to wait and see what's happening, what will be the movements after this low volatility that we have seen. So yeah, I hope you like this video. Unfortunately, nothing really interesting happening right now, but stay tuned and subscribe to the video, subscribe to the channel, not to miss the following releases. Thank you for watching and have a good day.